sites like this, where hard work meets heavy metal, you need a machine that, like your crew, never quits. Built on the rock-solid legacy of the XMT series, the XMT 400 ArcReach isn't just an upgrade, it's a step forward, and has the guts and the grit to handle whatever you throw at it. This workhorse doesn't just weld, it delivers consistent performance, job after job, so your crew can focus on what they do best: welding, welding, and more welding. With a history of reliability, the XMT 400 ArcReach is the go-to for pros who stake their reputation on quality. Its streamlined interface removes any guesswork, letting your team jump right in and get to work. Specialized features and settings mean you can dial in exactly what you need, when you need it. No fuss, no hassle. Simplify your fleet, tackle more jobs, and get it all done with one machine that's as dependable as you are. The Miller XMT 400 ArcReach. Like you and your crew, it's built to last.